How to delete old Instagram account without password, email and phone number. So let's get started. First of all, you have to launch the Instagram application and then make sure that you're logged in with your new Instagram account. Now to delete your old Instagram account, navigate to search bar from the menu bar at the bottom of this interface, and in the search bar you have to search for your old account. For example, this one is my old account. After you get to your old account, navigate to top right corner and tap on the three dot icon. After that, from this drop down box, tap on report. Now you have to report this account, then tap on something about this account. From here, tap on they are pretending to be someone else, and then tap on me. Now once you report this profile that this account is pretending to be you, the Instagram will overview your account and then will get you back and will delete your account or will ask you a reason why you would like to report this account. And you can say that you have no longer access to this account, so you would like to remove that account. After that, Instagram will remove that account. And that's how you can remove or delete all Instagram account without password, email and phone number. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.